I feel like a fortune teller. So first, I'm gonna apply the Glam Glow Glow Starter Illuminating Moisturizer. I have no idea what look I'm even going to do. Then I'm gonna take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in the Radiant one. And I want to try to find, I have these Jouer samples since they came out with 50 new shades. I want to try to find my color. These are just like little sample sizes that they sent. I have a couple. I want to try to find one that matches me so I don't have to use two. Fawn. Out of all of those, Fawn looks the best. Okay, I think I'm gonna try Fawn. Whoa, 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 whoa. Too much, shoot. Something with this color, I'm not liking it. A little green or something. I don't really like this color. I don't know why, it just looks green to me. It's too late now. There, I'm gonna take Tarte's Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey. And I'm using Sigma's Beauty Sponge to blend it out. Did anybody get it the first time that they first brought it out and then they just restocked finally after like selling out and they didn't get them for a while? Well, I got the new one and I feel like it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different than the first one that they came out with. Like this one's still good, but I don't know, like the feel of it or something. Like it's a different material, I think. I set it with, oh my god, where's my powder? I'm just setting this like inner corner right here. And I'm also gonna set my smile lines.
So first is a base, and you guys know how much I love Sigma's Persuade base, and they just came out with it in stick form, which is amazing. It's super creamy and really easy to apply. I love this one because it also helps cancel out any discoloration. It kind of reminds me of Max Painterly. I apply that all over the lid and then blend that out, and then I'm going to take another Sigma product. It's, what is this? Catch Eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that to my crease in circular motions, just a little bit above my crease. And I couldn't really find a palette that had all the colors I wanted, so I'm kind of just going off of everything I found. And then I'm taking Sugarpill's, what the heck is this called? Sparkle Baby palette, and I'm just taking the pink and I'm putting that further into my crease and blending that out. Next, I'm going to take Motive's Twilight, and I'm going to apply that, which is just like a matte, really matte soft brown. I'm going to apply that to the outer corner with a Sigma E25 blending brush. And I'm just keeping it in the outer corner and kind of slightly going up into the crease. And then I'm taking my favorite Sigma cut crease brush. I think it's an E62. I'm not sure. It'll be linked in the description box below. And then I'm kind of just really defining that crease. And you can see how easy it is with this brush to make that really sharp line in like one stroke. And then I'm just filling it in. And then I'm taking the Kevyn Electric Pop palette. I'm taking this lightest color and I'm applying that all over where I applied the concealer, and whoa, this color payoff was so good. I did not expect this from this shadow, especially with not even wet. It's just like that. And then I took what color is this? I think it's Motive's Fantasy. I'm going to double check and I'll list it in the description box below, but I just applied that over that purple that I put because this is a little bit shimmery. And then I'm going to take this product again from Sigma. It's not really like a glitter, but it's not really a pigment. It's just so pretty. I'll have it linked in the description box because I don't know what it's called, but I applied it all over my eyelid and it just gives a really pretty purple iridescent sparkle. Oh, this is just so pretty. I love it. And then I just applied the pink to my under eye area, and then I did a little bit of the dark purple along my lash line.
I guess I'll bronze my face a little bit. I'm gonna take Hula Light. I think I need to put it on my forehead because I'm gonna put that little band thing, but I don't know if this is gonna work because I should have did these before everything else. Shit. All right, for blush, I'm gonna use a little bit of Benefit's Dandelion blush. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of Dandelion and Rocketeer. For a highlight, this is the part I really don't know. I think I'm gonna try a little bit of these Custom FX glitter drops to see if it, let's see how it works now that I like kind of put powder on top. This is in the color Aurora. Because I kind of just want it like everywhere. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of going with it. Ooh. I put a little bit of Sigma's Chroma Glow in Felicity. I feel like I'm going in a totally different direction than like Festival. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this is the CoverGirl Current Nude. Ooh, smells good. At this point, I'm so lost right now. I think I'm just gonna go with this color, honestly, because and then let's try to put, I don't know if I should put this or not, but it's a Kevyn Pink Crystal Molten Lip Color. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. This doesn't even look like Festival, huh? Okay, so my memory card ran out of memory, so I had to stop, and I just basically added a bunch of dots on my face with a, where is it? With Inglot's 76 gel liner, which is white, and a Sigma E11 eyeliner pen. I basically just added dots all over my face, basically. Inner corner, on the outer ends right here, and then up right here. And then under my eyes, I added more dots, but they're like just little glitter dots, I guess. I don't know what they are. Just like little circles. And I just added them under my eyes as well. So, and then a little line down the center of my lip. With that same brush. And I was gonna add a little line like somewhere up here, but I don't know.